What if your entire content pipeline, from AI image generation to distribution across all of the platforms on the web, was one sentence? Yeah, no API, no code, just one sentence. And you can see Retriever doing the magic of generating the image from Gemini, Nano Banana, and publishing across all of our social channels from LinkedIn to Substack to Instagram, Reddit, even WordPress. And all of this was one single prompt. Let me show you. And that one sentence I gave Retriever is go to Gemini Nano Banana, create me a great image about state of AI and publish it across my LinkedIn, Reddit, Substack, WordPress, Instagram, everything. You see Retriever navigating to Gemini and triggered Gemini Nano Banana to create an amazing image for us. So in no time, it got us the image and the content from Gemini. Now it will move ahead to distributing it across all of your channels. Because Retriever has to post this across various platforms, it's put together an amazing workbook across various platforms, what should be posted, everything. And as you can see, it's navigating to these different platforms in the background to do the task for us. And you can see Retriever doing the magic of generating the image from Gemini, Nano Banana, and publishing across all of our social channels from LinkedIn to Substack to Instagram, Reddit, and even WordPress. Retriever just made a successful post about us on like LinkedIn with the image attached and the text body right there, and also it's made a post for us on Substack right there. You can see it's publishing the content for us on WordPress as well. It's successfully posting on Instagram for us, and in no time, all the content has been posted across all of our channels, and even the status has been updated successfully for us. What are you waiting for? Stop copy pasting in 26. Let Retriever handle all of your content pipelines from generation to distribution in one single prompt.